Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of MBNA Trueline Mastercard, one of Canada's most popular low-interest credit cards. While many credit cards compete by offering flashy welcome bonuses, premium travel perks, or high cashback rates, the MBNA Trueline Mastercard takes a completely different approach. But in 2026, with more low-interest cards entering the Canadian market and balance transfer offers becoming increasingly competitive, does the MBNA Trueline Mastercard still deserve a spot in your wallet? Well, let's review this. Let's start with what the MBNA Trueline Mastercard actually is. It's a no-frills, low-interest credit card issued by MBNA Canada. Unlike premium cards that try to impress you with airport lounge access, travel insurance, luxury hotel benefits, or reward programs, this card focuses on one thing: keeping borrowing costs as low as possible. That's actually a refreshing strategy because not every credit card user pays up their balance in full every month. Instead of charging the higher purchase interest rates that many traditional rewards cards have, the MBNA Trueline Mastercard offers a significantly lower ongoing purchase interest rates. That means if you occasionally carry a balance, you generally pay less interest than you would with many standard credit cards. Now let us talk about the main features. One I already mentioned: low ongoing purchase interest rates. That's the biggest feature right now. Compared to many traditional Canadian credit cards, which often charge purchase interest rates around 19 to 21%, the MBNA Trueline Mastercard offers a considerably lower standard purchase rate. If you always pay your statement balance in full, this won't matter very much because you won't pay purchase interest anyway. Promotional balance transfer offer. This is probably the most talked about feature, and that's the introductory balance transfer promotion. Eligible new card holders can transfer balances from qualifying accounts and benefit from a promotional interest rate for a limited introductory period, and that's like 12 months. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to consolidate debt from higher interest credit cards. Also, it is fascinating to know that this card has no annual fee. That's a significant advantage because you don't have to worry about recovering the cost of owning the card each year. Mastercard acceptance. Because this is a Mastercard, you will enjoy broad acceptance both within Canada and internationally. So whether you're shopping online, you're paying for subscriptions, you're dining out, or you're making everyday purchases, Mastercard is accepted at millions of merchants worldwide. That means you won't have to think twice about where you can use the card. Fraud protection and security. This includes fraud monitoring, security protections for unauthorized transactions, and online account management tools that allow you to monitor spending and keep track of your account activity. And there's also contactless payments. The card supports tap-to-pay functionality. That makes everyday purchases quicker and more convenient. So whether you're grabbing coffee, paying for groceries, or you're making small purchases, contactless payments help speed up the checkout process while maintaining modern security standards. How about the pricing? As earlier mentioned, there is no annual fee. That's great. You also get a 0% promotional annual interest rate for 12 months on balance transfers that are completed within 90 days of account opening. But for eligibility, you should be a Canadian resident and of the age of majority in your province or territory of residence. What are the pros and cons of this card? First is the pricing that I just mentioned. No annual fee, it's free. Low purchase interest rates, excellent balance transfer promotion, and it is straightforward and easy to understand its use. It's also great for debt management. How about the cons? There are no reward programs and has limited premium benefits. Also, balance transfer fees may apply. So after looking at everything the MBNA Trueline Mastercard has to offer, the big question is whether it's still one of the best low-interest credit cards that you can get in Canada in 2026. Well, the answer depends entirely on how you use your credit cards. For borrowers that are looking to lower interest costs without paying an annual fee, it's certainly one of the strongest contenders. Just be sure that its strengths align with your financial goals before you apply. And that's it on the review of the MBNA Trueline Mastercard. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore MBNA Trueline Gold Mastercard, Tangerine Money Back Credit Card, and BMO Preferred Rate Mastercard. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.